welcome to my channel, This Life Rocks. Since this is my first video, I decided to show you guys my new rock tumbler and how to use it. These are the things you're gonna need. Your rock tumbler, all 4 types of grit, a cup of water, some measuring spoons, scissors, and of course your rocks. I like to pick out my rocks before I open my tumbler. Okay, so I think this is a tiger's eye. I got it on vacation in Wisconsin, and I'm gonna use this one. Pretty sure this is, I forgot what it's called, but yeah.
Is it a soda?
Yeah, it's a soda light. I'm pretty sure this is an adventurine for good adventures. I think this is a garnet. Okay, so these are the rocks I chose. I got most of them on vacation, but some people gave them to me. But these are the rocks I chose. Time to open the tumbler. So, it's easy that time. You screw this back on up. Okay. Then you put your rocks in. So there are 4 types of grit that you need to use. We have to use the coarsest one first. The coarsest one kind of looks like silver sand. This one looks, I don't know what it looks like. But yeah, I don't know, maybe sparkles, random sparkles. This kind of looks like wet cement. And this kind of looks like flour. So this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the 4th. This is what we're using. So you cut it and stuff. Wait. This says ages 10 and up. I can't even use it. Need 2 tablespoons of coarse grit. That was more than a tablespoon, but sure. Need just enough water to cover the rocks, and that's too much. Okay, Mom to the rescue. This is what it's actually supposed to look like. Put this on, and sometimes it goes in, and yeah. Also, this can smell bad sometimes, so. We're almost done, and now we're gonna, I don't know which way to put it, but I'm gonna put this on here, and my tumbler says to do it for 4 days, so I'm gonna set it for 4 days. There. So we're done with the first part, and you'll have to use each grit for about 5 days, and we'll see you after that.